Hello everyone, my name is Gina and today we will be opening our IPSY Glam Bag Plus, okay? For those of you who are not familiar with IPSY, you know I got you. Check out the description box down below and you will see all the information about all the different tiers, the cost, and what the value is that you would get each and every month, okay? So, let's not delay, and this is what's on the inside. This is our IPSY Glam Bag, actual Glam Bag Plus for the month of April, okay? So, when we dig inside, the first thing we have is our, well, it's not a description card, it's just an information card. And it says the theme for the month is keep growing, okay? Spring is here, and just like you, the earth has come alive. Take this month to plant big ideas, nourish your skin, and live a little greener because it's your season to bloom, okay? So, and then it gives you some information on the inside. 3 ways to upcycle your glam bags. Okay, this says you can tidy your tech, mini emergency prep, or pay it forward. Now I do 2 of these things, okay? I have so many bags already, okay? But what I have done is a couple of them I've kept to the side and I use them inside of my purse so that I can separate things and make it a little easier to find. Now, the rest of them I've had IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus and X for a while now, okay? So what I do is I donate them to a women's shelter. We'll go and put products in there, and that way they have their own little bag of goodies, okay? So that's how I recycle mine. How about you? Let me know down below how you recycle yours. Okay, so other than that, let's just go ahead and jump into the bag and see what's inside. Okay, so the very first item that I have is by Dr. Brandt, and this is the Clean Biotic pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll. Okay, and it says it dissolves stubborn impurities and it helps replenish skin's moisture, maintain skin's pH balance. And what we have is a 3.5 fluid ounce size. It says it's good for all skin types. Okay, and this one has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, I do believe I have this product already. Yes, I do. I have this product already, and I love Dr. Brandt products. They are amazing. They do exactly what they say they are going to do without being too harsh on our skin, okay? So the manufacturer suggested retail price for this product right here is $35, and it says massage into damp skin using circular motions and then rinse well with warm water, okay? That is item number 1. Item number 2 is by Life, and this is the Vitamin C Brightening Oil, okay? And this one says it reduces the appearance of hyperpigmentation, plus reduces visibility of aging, is ultra hydrating, and evens the complexion. Okay. This has no mineral oils, no sulfates, no parabens, but it is vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. And let's see what the shelf life for this particular product may be. This is a 15 milliliter size or 0.5 fluid ounces. And I'm having a challenge because I really don't see an expiration date. I see a packaged date, but not a expiration date. Okay, if I happen to come across it, I will let you know. All right, so yes, that is item number 2. Then the next item is by HIPDOT, and it's this one right here. And this is a liquid and kohl liner. All right, it's in the shade Midnight Black, and it has a 0.35 milliliter size or 1 full gram. It is not tested on animals. It is cruelty-free, and typical of products like this, it has a 6-month shelf life, okay? So let's just take a look at what the inside packaging looks like, which is pretty much just like the outside, okay? This is what the inner packaging looks like, okay? And that is item number 3. Item number 4 is by the company YENSA, and this is the Super Serum Silk. Oh, this is a foundation. Okay, and it says it has vitamin C plus E, and it has 8 super blacks essence. I'm not sure what that means, but I'll take a look, see what I can find, and I'll list it above. Okay, so it says, this silky serum foundation infuses skincare benefits from vitamin C, E, ferculate, bacacholi, and our 8 super black essence to improve skin over time. Offers a skin-like full coverage glow while working to firm, smooth, and brighten your complexion from within. Okay, nice. This is a 30 milliliter size. It has a 12-month shelf life. And it does say that this is full coverage. It's actually a very beautiful shade. I'm trying to see what the name of this shade is. It's actually called Deep Golden. No, very, very nice. Look, I didn't mean to put that much on because they're saying a little goes a long way. But this seems to be my shade. Oh, yes. Oh, that feels nice. And it looks nice. Wow. And I just blended this with my finger. Let's see. It does smell very medicinal. It is actually my shade. How about that? Okay, this is what it looks like when I blended it on my hand. Okay, so that one is item number 4. Okay, and the last item, did I let you know that the manufacturer suggested retail price is $45? If not, I did just let you know. So then we have one more product. And the last product that we have is by Mishka Beauty. Nice packaging. Very nice packaging. And this is the Manicure Set. And it says, nail health just got way easier thanks to this nail kit packed with all the essentials for strong nails, soft cuticles, and chip-resistant manicures. All right, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this product right here is $50. We need to know why. Oh, well, would you look at that? How about that right there? Okay, and inside we have a nail file, a glass nail file. Okay, y'all know how I am about fingerprints and stuff, so let's just do what we do. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off before I show it to you anyway, but so here's the nail file itself, and it has its case, and it does say Mishka Mishko on it. It says the nail file is made with an easy to clean tempered glass, which can be used on both artificial and natural nails. That's good to know. Then this is our clear top coat. Let me tell you something. This is very luxurious looking, if nothing else. And this is our nail elixir cuticle oil. Okay. I like this. This I like very much. I'm very, very pleased with this. Okay. And that is the last item that we have in our IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Okay. Wow. This was very nice. In this particular month's IPSY Glam Bag Plus, I'm okay with this one because when you look at it, you have a nice variety. We have skincare, you know, in the cleanser, and then the vitamin C. Then we have our nail kit, our eyeliner, and our skincare foundation. Okay, I think I'm going to like this, and the packaging isn't bad either. Okay, but we'll check it out when we do our try on. I still have an IPSY palette that I need to show you, so maybe that'll be in this month's try on review and first impression. Okay, so I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged our IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and these are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was in the bag. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time,